Welcome, fellow cosmic explorers, to Cosmic Odyssey. Today we're embarking on an extraordinary adventure, a 10-minute journey through our very own galaxy, the Milky Way. Imagine sailing through glittering star clusters, dodging supermassive black holes, and unraveling the secrets of our cosmic home. Ready? Let's dive into the wonders of the galaxy that cradles our solar system. First things first, what exactly is the Milky Way? It's a barred spiral galaxy, about 13.6 billion years old, nearly as old as the universe itself. It's home to 100 to 400 billion stars, including our sun, and countless planets, nebulae, and mysteries. From Earth, we see it as a hazy band of light, the Milky Path ancient Greeks named Galaxias Kyklos. But we're not just stargazers, we're inside it. Our solar system sits in the Orion Arm, about 27,000 light-years from the galaxy's chaotic center. Speaking of which, at the Milky Way's heart lies Sagittarius, a star, a supermassive black hole 4 million times heavier than our sun. Stars here whip around at insane speeds, dancing to the black hole's gravitational tune. But it's not all darkness. Surrounding the core is a bright, dense bulge of ancient stars, glowing nebulae, and enough energy to power sci-fi movies for eternity. Yet this region is just a fraction of our galaxy's story. The Milky Way's spiral arms are where the magic happens. These twisting lanes are cosmic nurseries, birthing stars from clouds of gas and dust. Our sun orbits here, completing a galactic lap every 230 million years. Fun fact, when dinosaurs roamed Earth, we were in a completely different part of the galaxy. And just beyond our neighborhood lies the galactic halo, a ghostly sphere of dark matter, ancient stars, and globular clusters. Here's a plot twist. Our galaxy is on a collision course. In about 4.5 billion years, the Milky Way will smash into the Andromeda galaxy. But don't panic. Stars are so far apart that solar systems like ours might just drift through unscathed. The result? A new hybrid galaxy, Milkdromeda, a cosmic tango that reshapes our sky forever. Since we're inside the Milky Way, mapping it is like trying to sketch a forest while standing among the trees. But tools like the Gaia spacecraft and infrared telescopes let us peer through cosmic dust, charting billions of stars. Every discovery, like the ghost galaxies orbiting ours or the Fermi bubbles erupting from the core, reminds us how much we've yet to learn. The Milky Way is more than our home. It's a reminder of how small, yet connected we are in this vast cosmos. Want more Odysseys? Smash that subscribe button, ring the bell, and let us know where we should voyage next. Until then, keep looking up.